Hi there, welcome to Real Women Real Results, where our clients share their body transformation success stories through our 90-day body transformation program. Meet Emelina, a 25-year-old marketing executive from Goa who was struggling with being underweight and constant gut issues. But in just 90 days, she gained 5 kgs and completely got rid of her constipation. Here's how 3M method helped her change her life and her body.
First of all, congrats on completing your 90-day journey, Emelina, with Fitnia. And I have loved how your consistency has been, whatever ups and downs we went through, but it's still been the one of the best journeys that I've seen in the program. So overall, my first question would be, what were the challenges you were facing earlier that we kind of overcame in these 3 months?
One of the major challenge was eating properly.
Mm.
Because as a person who's always been on the go, I really did not care about eating properly. And even if I wanted to eat, I couldn't actually eat it. Like I couldn't finish my
Mm.
meals.
Mm.
Second was like the energy. I would get tired really fast by the end of the day and stuff. And because I've been skinny all my life, it was very difficult to gain weight. And even if I would gain, if I would stop eating, it would just drop.
Correct.
So these were like some of the three main challenges, the reason
Mm.
why I enrolled in the program.
Correct. Wow. And you just mentioned earlier that you've, I think, not exercised for, let's say, 15-20 days, but the weight has not
Yeah,
dropped at all.
definitely. So because I have
Mm.
some personal challenges, I cannot work out at all. But
Mm.
the thing that I promised myself is no matter what, I'm gonna keep the diet that has been given to me by you.
Correct.
I mean, you've given me the guideline, but we can
Mm.
customize it. That's the best part. Like, you are not
Mm.
like hounding that eat this, but you like
Yeah.
give us a lot of options. You like give us a lot of a proper system, I'd say,
Mm.
where we do not fall out of track and we're still
Correct.
proper. So, having said that, I think I have been consistent with my diet, and it's been more 10-15 days that I haven't worked out at all, no body movement, but my
Mm.
weight is still the same. So I was
Amazing.
amazed because this was not the weight that I just gained by eating junk. This was
Mm.
healthy muscle weight, which is difficult to
Correct.
drop, I feel. And that's what really surprised me also.
Correct. Wow. Amazing. And I think apart from just physically, I think we've gained some 4-ish kgs in 2-3 months, we can say, right?
Yeah.
So apart from just the gaining weight, what do you think you've gained apart from it?
Yeah, so many things. Firstly, self confidence. As I said,
Mm.
I did successfully hosted
Mm.
a I did host a pro. did host an event with like 700 to 800 people,
Wow.
and it was something that I couldn't imagine when I was skinny. But because
Mm.
I gained this weight that I gained, it just sort
Mm.
of changed something in me, and my self belief in me has increased after that. To be very
Wow.
cheesy, but that's the truth.
Yeah, it is.
Secondly, I've learned a lot about fitness because of you and the PDFs and the knowledge that you've provided. Um, and it just made my lifestyle a little better, my health a
Mm.
little better, my energy a lot better. Um, and I think once you have these two things, as a person, also you evolve, you become a better person
Correct.
somehow. And the third thing, I've also gained a friend. That is
Oh,
you.
really?
I never
Oh, me.
felt
Oh.
like you.
Thank you.
I never thought that
Oh, that's
you
so
were
sweet.
like my trainer.
Mm-hmm.
Like you mentally help us, like with the mental push that we need, the motivation that we need. And it's not fake. It is something that comes genuinely from you. So kudos to you and
Thank you.
Yash for like
Yeah.
always trying to keep us on track. And one thing that I really appreciate about you is whenever I was off track, you never like demoralized me or be like,
Correct.
if you don't do this, it's not gonna happen. You always be
Mm.
like so chill about it. You are like, it's okay, it's not a big deal, you're gonna get back. And that
Mm.
belief also helps you to keep going no matter how many times you miss things. And of
Correct.
course, it has helped me build a routine. But the app is
Mm.
amazing, of course. Like to see what I'm
Great.
putting in my body in
Mm.
detail, I think that is something that a lot of programs don't offer with like that of a depth. And
Correct.
yeah, everything is so much in sync. So I think
Mm.
it was an amazing experience, and I'm so glad that I enrolled with you previously.
Oh, I'm so happy. Even we're glad to work with you. And I'm sure we're going to do it even after this. Maybe after the break, but
Yeah,
I'm not going
definitely in
anywhere.
the future.
So,
Yeah, you
right?
are here to stay. You're going to
Yeah.
go bigger and bigger and bigger. And probably I'll have to be on a wait list to re-enter the
Oh,
program.
not really. No, you ask and we'll book a slot for you. Don't worry.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thank you.
Perfect.
Yep.
So lastly, how was your experience with me as a coach? I mean, anything that you'd give me a feedback or anything you want us to improve on?
I have nothing as
Mm,
an improvement feedback at all, no constructive feedback at all, because the program that you've built along with Yash is just something that is not available in the market. It's I know it's right now you'll help like people with different goals, but when I
mm,
was looking for weight gain programs, I think this was the best 10, and it is still the best because of obviously your 3M method that
mm,
puts everything together, whether it is your food, the diet, whether it is
mm,
the mental health, and whether it is the routine, and whether it is tracking everything, and then your support is so constant. I
mm,
don't think so a lot of even one-on-one trainers give so much feedback, motivation, good words. So that's what I
mm.
said, that I felt like I made a friend, and I never felt like you were my trainer
Amazing. Yeah.
because you were like so genuinely trying to make that difference for me and guiding me the right
Mm,
way. So I
yeah.
think if anyone is watching this, whenever, like, just join, like, do not think, because I don't think so you'll ever regret, because
Wow. Amazing.
there's nothing to lose.
That's so sweet, Amelina. Thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm Niyati Chauhan, a certified fitness coach and a weight gain specialist. We've helped transform hundreds of busy working women globally through our 90-day body transformation program with our 3M method, which focuses on meals, movement, and mindset. If her story inspired you, then there are dozens of stories in our Real Women, Real Results playlist. Watch them, get inspired, and if you're ready to transform your body in just 90 days, then click the link below to book a personal fitness consultation call with us and get started with your journey.